With Valentine's Day approaching, what better way to celebrate it than with an impressive red velvet cake? This red velvet cake recipe is very moist and delicious. This recipe is more than just a vanilla cake dyed red because of the addition of the unsweetened cocoa powder. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new to this channel, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. The ingredients you will need are listed in the video description below. In a large bowl, add your cake flour, baking soda, unsweetened cocoa powder, and salt. Whisk these ingredients together. Using a hand or stand mixer, cream together the butter and sugar. Once these ingredients are combined, scrape down the bowl. Add the vegetable oil, vanilla extract, eggs, and vinegar and mix together. Mixing, add the flour mixture and buttermilk in small increments, alternating between both. Once all ingredients are combined, add red food coloring. Use as much or as little as you would like. To get a bright red cake, you will need to use a good amount of food coloring. Start preparing the egg whites to be added to the cake using a handheld mixer. This will take a little time for them to form. Continue mixing until they form a foamy consistency that holds the peak when you remove the mixer. Fold the egg whites into the cake mixture. Pour the cake mixture into the pans. Place the cakes in the oven and bake for around 30 minutes at 350 degrees. Check to make sure the cake is completely done. Once the cakes are out of the oven and completely cold, level and decorate the cake. I suggest an American buttercream frosting or a cream cheese frosting for this cake. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to select the bell to get notifications on future content.